Masoom, okay, nobody have given me homework. Some of the students, there were some of the students who have given me. Noor, Abdullah, how I will understand that whether you have understood or not, or whether the way you are doing, because you are very far from me, isn't it? Right? Before, in previous classes when you used to do that time, I should have gone to each and every one, and I would have seen that you are doing some mistakes. How much time it will take? How many homeworks I give? Tell me. Only one or two sums I give, and that sum also if you don't do, then how we will understand that whether you are understanding or not? See, this is a Zoom platform. I don't think that in online classes, whatever things which I teach you, it is same way like what I used to do teach you in when there were no online classes. Isn't it right? Do you think so that there are any kind of what to say? Means like any problem is there while teaching, or whether you are not understanding? Tell me, Nabil. You used to be something very serious while I used to teach when offline classes were there. But right now I'm seeing that you are not, at least the at least whatever things which I am doing, we are getting only half an hour. In half an hour, how much maths I will do teaching? Till we are in fourth chapter, and in fourth chapter only we are doing the completing skill, well as small things we are doing. Only quadratic equation only we are doing. Minhas,
Yes, sir.
yes, Minhas, please sit properly. Mehboob, Shahid, see, once this your way means like your maths practice goes away, think that maths means like most of the things means like whatever things I'm going through right now means what temperament I have taken for you people will all go away. All the things will go away. I don't speak about Mehboob, I don't speak about Ashrarul, whether they give or whether they doesn't give. I don't I don't think so that they will be facing any problem. But the thing is, Naveed, Shahid, then there are many other students are there. Fuez, Tahir, Abdul Hassan. I really feel that it's like at least if they try for at least for some minutes, this kind of sum, and please show it to me. Masoom yesterday he have shown to me, and he have done one mistake. Okay, that mistake I have marked there, and I have shown to him, Masoom, there you are doing the mistake. Only one sum he have done. How much time he have taken? Please tell me. That is the thing only I need. Only sometimes I said you before also when you were doing offline classes. Only half an hour you just practice maths. That's it. No need of doing lot many maths. Understood? Fuzel, I'm saying to you also. Tahir, what happened? Why you are not showing to me the homeworks? Yes? Simply, sir, I am not feeling well. These all things are your, or else you want to say all the truth to me, sir. I am not feeling like to do maths.
No, not this one, sir. Actually,
So,
matter is
I'm
that
saying you.
I did. No, it's a matter is that I did not have my books, sir. And whatever you are
Don't have
showing
the
after
books.
that, yes, sir. Whatever you are showing, how I was listening in class, sir, in online class, and nothing understanding. Only looking at what you are doing and this work. After that, I am
You are
forgetting.
not. See, listen. See, everyone. I'm telling you, Tahir. See, if you want to learn something, you can learn from here also through online. If you don't want to learn, right? If you have many tuitions also, there also you will not learn. The board which I am using, okay, it is only for you, only just because to teach you maths. And this particular thing I brought only for class 10 as well as class 9, only for these two students. Or else for lower classes, I could have done in other ways. Take the screenshot, don't write, take the screenshot. Okay, and write it in the main copy, because these things will go away. It will never come. Today's thing, whatever things which you are doing, it will never come. See, these are not slogans or whatever things I'm telling you. I'm not giving you the lectures. These lectures are only meant for you. If it goes away one day, because I have seen you, Tahir, your improvement I have seen in your maths. When you were used to do the offline classes, you used to come to me directly and used to say me, sir, these are the problems that I'm facing here. Once I'm showing you, you can do the rest. These are the things I'm seeing. I'm seeing most of the Fuzel also. I've seen a lot many improvements. But these improvements I have to manage for 2 months. First month gone like in a normal way. You are checking me. Second month onwards, you have started learning at least something from me. And this will go away. Whatever things I am doing right, these procedures, everything will go away. Understood? Abul Kalam, even you also, I am telling you, all the maths will go away. See, we are not doing the advanced maths class properly. You just understand. I will request Shahjan sir to take one advanced maths class, because this will also go away. Okay, these are the things really very important. Half an hour only, just you have to practice. That's it. That's what I just urge every one of you. What you will do, online classes, these are the things only you have to do. Isn't it right? Understood? I want everyone. See, this is a request to me. I'm not commanding anyone. I don't want to command anyone. This is a request from my side that I want all of them, Minhaj, even you also, everyone, to show me what are the homeworks which I do, because I want to see whether you can practice or not in a proper way or not. Afterwards, you can bring a guide also. Whether you are facing problem, you can bring a guide. You can see, practice it, because next month onwards, a class test will be there, which you need to be proper. The management committee and all the guardians will talk to me regarding to all the teachers, that what you have teach in these online classes. Understood? So that's it. So let's go to the screen. Okay. Now let's go to the question answers. Okay. Let us take. Wait just a minute. Wait. See, everyone, please mute yourself. Sounds are coming. Please mute everyone. Okay, now we are doing exercise. Yes, exercise 4.3 we were doing, right? Okay, Masoom have done in a very proper way this one. Only in last step, which I have shown to you, in where you got x square minus 3x plus 2, I think, I don't know actually. The thing which I have given to you, the middle term factorization which I have left for you, this one you have done very properly, except that instead of 3, here 3 was been given. So you have to write not 2 minus 1, you have to write 2 plus 1. Okay, there where this was the mistake which you have done. Okay, now let us go to question number 4. Wait just a minute. Question number 4.
Sir. Sir.
Yes, tell me.
Yes. In your book only 2 sums are there, but in our book 6 sums are there. Number 3.
Number 3 sum. Please tell me the question, then we can do it. Tell me.
Number 3.
See,
3.
Listen. Wait just a minute. See, listen. This is a book which I have downloaded from Play Store. If you go to Play Store, you will find these sums only. If there were other sums, then I could have done. This is not from the book which I have taken. Okay. Okay. Now yes, tell me the third question. Tell me.
2 by 3.
2 by 3.
X square.
X square.
Minus 1 by 3x.
Minus 1.
1 by 3.
X.
Minus 1.
Minus
1 is equal to 0.
This was been given, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Okay, now let us start. Okay, now mute yourself. Okay, now see, 3 is the LCM for these two, but it is not there for this one. So what you will do, first step, take this one, take for all of them, 3 as the LCM. So see, this 3 is in the denominator for 2x square, isn't it, right? So no need of giving, because already the denominator is 3, which is 3 here. Similarly for this one also, 3 already is there. Only what you have to do, this minus 1 and x is there. So minus 1 into x, it means 1 into x. It means x only we can write. And for this one, see, down I doesn't have 3. So what you will do, directly you cross multiply 3, directly you just multiply. Understood? Minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay. Now you will have here 2x square minus x minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay. Now since they didn't tell you any other form, maybe quadratic form, or else they didn't spoke about completing square. So what you will do, try to find out either in other factorization methods are also there, which might be easy for you. Okay. Now see, this 2 and this 3 is there, isn't it, right? So 3 2s are 6. I have 6 with me. So find out the factors. I have to make this middle term. You see, x, don't take it as x. See the coefficient of x. It is 1, isn't it, right? Okay. So now see, 3 2s are 6 I can write. So 3 minus 2, I can find out this one as 1. Okay. Here you will see that x is there, but 1, this coefficient which is not there, which is invisible. If you multiply 1 also, no issues, isn't it, right? So 3 minus 2, I can get 1. So what you will write? 2x square minus, instead of 1, I can write 3 minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, let me rub this all. You understood all this? Let me rub this. Equals to 0, you will write. Okay, equals to 0. So implies 2x square minus 3 into x becomes minus 3x. Now here you will see minus minus becomes plus, 2 into x becomes twice x. See, listen, here most of the students do mistake here. Okay, while taking, they see the minus outside and then multiply with the other terms which sign they have. 3 is positive here, you look here. So 3 plus 1 minus plus becomes minus 3, and this x also you don't forget, twice x. Then again this minus, and you have here minus 2. So minus minus becomes plus, 2 into x becomes twice x, minus 3 equals to 0. Okay. Now here this one and this one is there. Okay. Now see, from these two I can take one x common, isn't it, right? So what you will have, 2x minus 3. Okay. Now for this one, you just see, I can see twice x minus 3 is same like this one, only it is there, isn't it, right? So what you will do, take plus twice x minus 3 only, you just put. No need of doing any other. Okay. Already it is present, isn't it, right? Now see, here from these two, I can take twice x minus 3 as common. Okay. Now from here, what are the things left? Here x is left, middle plus is there, so plus is left. Now see, when twice x minus 3 already I have taken, what is there in it? 1 is there now. Twice x minus 3 into 1 means twice x minus 3 only. So I can take 1 as common, equals to 0. Now let me go down. Okay, let me write again. So this one is over. Now another thing, Masoom, up to this much only you have done, and you have forgot that you have to find out the value of x. At least these are called the roots. You have to find out the roots. So what you will do, either twice x minus 3 equals to 0, or x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay. Now let us go down and let us write again here. Implies twice x equals to 3. I can write. So implies x equals to 3 by 2. This 2, it is multiplied form with x. So when it will go there, it will go to the denominator. And for this one, implies x equals to minus 1. Okay. Understood now, everyone? Let me minimize this. Yes, I want answers. Have you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, tell me. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I urge everyone, please write it down, or else take the screenshot fast. Tahir, please take the screenshot fast.
Yes, I took, sir.
Yes, one day I will visit your house. Okay.
Or
Yes, Minhas, even I will also visit your house. What you are doing, I want to see. Noor also. Finish, Noor?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then you have taken the screenshot. Everyone have taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
let us go to the next. Let us go to the next one. Okay. Now let us go here. Only this term only we will do. Okay. Now see, the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age. Okay. In years they are speaking. That means age they are speaking in years, not in months. Okay. 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. What have you understood? Reciprocal means if anything is x, reciprocal of x is 1 by x. If anything is 3, reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Understood? But they say here, sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age. One is 3 years ago and another is 5 years from now. Understood what I say? Yes? Here, look very nicely. They said sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago. Means 3 years ago, what was the Rahman's age? And 5 years from now, that means from today's present age, 5 years from now, and their reciprocal is 1 by 3. They say find his present age. Now let us write this one, you will understand, because this is a little bit complicated for you to understand. When I will write the equation, you will see that you can understand the statement what is being given. Okay. Now let us write in question number 4. Okay. Wait just a minute. Let the present age. I said you, when I speak about the ages, always take the present age. Okay. Then only we can go to the future, and then only we can go to past. Isn't it right? Of anyone. So let the present age of Rahman be X years. All of you, I urge you to write all this or else take the screenshot. Okay. Now, according to the question, okay, they said first what they said, sum. So sum means what? I have to give a plus sign. Understood? Now let us go again to this one. Now sum of what? Reciprocals. Reciprocals of what? 3 years ago and 5 years from now. So I have to take the sum of 3 years ago. Now how to write 3 years ago? Isn't it? Present age was X. Now, if I have to go to the past, always anyone's age will be decreased, isn't it? Right? Now, say for example, okay, I am 50 years old. Okay. Now, if I have to go to the past, what I have to do? I have to put minus, isn't it? Right? 3 years ago means what? I will be 47. So how to write? Since I don't know the main age, what I have represented the present age as X. So I have to write X minus 3. Okay. So they said here, reciprocal of the past, reciprocal of ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now. And 5 years from now. Have you understood? Is 1 by 3. Is there any problem? Now look very nicely. They said sum of the ages of Rahman 3 years ago and 5 years from now. They said, oh wait, just a minute. I have done one mistake. Just a minute. Reciprocal they said, isn't it right? So I have to give the reciprocal for both of them. Sum of the, what they said, again, let us see. Look, the sum of the reciprocals, as they say, okay, reciprocals of Rahman's age. And normally, for ages, so 3 years ago, what I should write? X minus 3. 5 years from now, if I have to write, that means X plus 5 I have to write, isn't it right? But since here they have given reciprocal, so what I have to do? 1 by X minus 3 plus 1 by X plus 5. And they said sum is how much? 1 by 3. Understood now, everyone? Yes? Masoom, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what, after finding out according to the question, what are the things, then directly you have to solve it. How? You have to cross multiply. Like similarly, like question number 2, what we have done in question number 3, Roman 2, same way we will do. So what you will do, X plus 5, cross multiply with this one. So you will write this one as X plus 5, middle plus is there, so put plus, X minus 3 into 1, you will get X minus 3. And down these two, what you will do, you will multiply. Same like how you take an LCM, in the same process only you have to write. So equals to 1 by 3 I'm getting. Now here, okay, this X and X will become twice X, and 5 minus 3 you will get plus 2. Okay, and down you will get what? With X, you have to multiply X plus 5, and with minus 3 you have to multiply X plus 5, isn't it right? So equals to 1 by 3. Let me go down and let me write. Okay, time is really very short today. Actually, I was not getting the link. For this reason, I was a little bit late. So what I have to do, I have to multiply this. X into X becomes X square plus 5 into X. I can write this one as 5X minus 3 into X becomes thrice X, minus plus becomes minus, 3 5s are 15 equals to 1 by 3. Okay. Now let us go here and let us write this one. Implies twice x plus 2 I can get here. Let me simplify this one. X square plus 5x minus 3x you will get as twice x, isn't it, right? And this one I will write this one as 1/15 equals to 1/2. Again, you have to cross multiply 3 with this one, and x square plus twice x minus 15 into 1 you will write. Okay, so let me go down and let me write this. So implies 3 2s are 6x plus 3 2s are 6. Both of them you have to multiply with this one. Similarly, 1 also have to multiply with all of them. So if you multiply anything by 1, same answer only we will get. It is just a mirror image which you are getting. Okay, now let me go down. Okay, now put this 6x plus 6, all the things on the other side. Okay, so what I will write? So you will see that here I am writing, it is the same thing which I can write. So x square plus twice x minus 15, and this one, these all of them, when it will go this side, it will become minus 6x, and plus 6 also when it will go that side, it will become minus 6. Okay, now implies x square, wait just a minute, x square and twice x minus 6. Now see the similar things which is there with you. Twice x and minus 6x. You will get minus 4x. Okay, minus 15 and minus 6. You will get minus 21 equals to 0. Okay, now you have to factorize. Now see here, coefficient of x square is 1 and this one is 21. The constant term is 21. Okay, now what you will do, 21 into 1, you will get 21. Isn't it, right? Now factorize this one. Okay, you know 7 3 is a 21. Isn't it, right? 7 minus 3, how much I will get? 4, isn't it? So what I will do here, let me rub this all. Let me rub this. Okay. Understood? Let me go here. Implies, wait, x square minus, instead of 4, I can write 7 minus 3 into x minus 21 equals to 0. Okay. Now let us go here. Implies x square minus 7 into x becomes 7x. Minus minus becomes plus, 3 into x becomes thrice x, minus 21 equals to 0. Okay, so implies from both of them I can take x common, x minus 7 I can get, and from this one 3 and 21 I can take 3 as common, isn't it? 3 7s are 21, we know, and here also when 3 is present I can take the common factor as 3 equals to 0. Okay, now let us go down and let us write this one as implies from these two x minus 7 I can take common, and what left here, x and plus 3. So x plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, now let us go down and let us write. So either x minus 7 equals to 0 implies x equals to 7 I can write. Okay, or x plus 3 equals to 0 implies x equals to minus 3. Okay, now see, let us wait just a minute. Wait. Let me go down. Okay, so this one, look very nice. This minus 3 is neglected. Okay, h can never be negative, isn't it, right? Okay, so what you will write, therefore the present age of Rahman is how much? 7 years. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.